Assalamu alaikum dear subscribers. We are going to tell you vlog channel requires a combination of creativity, consistency, engagement and strategy. Here are 20 steps to help you grow your vlog channel. Number 1. Define your niche. Choose a specific theme or subject that you are passionate about and consistently create content around. This helps attract a dedicated audience. Number 2. Research your audience. Understand your target audience's interest, preference, and pain points. This will help tailor your content to their needs. Number 3. Create high quality content. Focus on producing content with good video and sound quality. Poor production values can turn viewers away. Number 4. Develop a content plan. Create a schedule for consistent uploads. Posting regularly builds audience expectations and loyalty. Number 5. Optimize your video titles. Use catchy, relevant, and keyword optimized titles to attract viewers and improve search visibility. Number 6. Craft engaging thumbnails. Design eye-catching thumbnails that compel viewers to click. Thumbnails should give a glimpse of the video content. Number 7. Write descriptive video description. Include relevant keywords, video summarize, and calls to action (CTA) in your description. This helps both viewers and search engage understand your content. Number 8. Use appropriate tags. Tag your video with relevant keywords to enhance searchability. Tags help categorize content and make it easier to discover. Number 9. Leverage SEO. Incorporate search engine optimized SEO in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to rank higher in search results. Number 10. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and engage with viewers on social media. Building a community fosters loyalty. And number 11. Promote your channel on social media. Share your content on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok to reach a wider audience. Number 12. Collaborate with other creators. Partner with other vloggers or influencers in your niche to tap into each other's audiences and grow together. Number 13. Create playlists. Organize your videos into themed playlists to keep viewers watching more of your content, increasing watch time. Number 14. Use calls to action (CTAs). Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Ask them to share the video with others to follow you on social media. Number 15. Analyze your analytics. Regularly check YouTube or platform analytics to track performance metrics like watch time, viewer demographics, and engagement. Use this data to refine your content strategy. Number 16. Experiment with formats. Try different videos formats, exaggerate, and tutorials, behind the scenes interviews to see what resonates best with your audience. So guys, thanks for watching my video till the end. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching till the end. Bye bye.